Love means making one human being a refuge for another. If there is no effort in it, its name is only desire. If there is no loyalty in it, its name is only habit. If it is not a vein carrying life to the heart, it is not love. You who sacrifice love to hypocrisy, what else is love for? Friendship means guarding a person's dignity when they are not present. What you cannot say to their face, do not turn into poison behind their back. It is the soul counted after mother and father, yet before sister and brother. You who sacrifice friendship to self-interest, what else is friendship for? A true intellectual does not calculate like a merchant. He does not stand where the applause is, but where the truth is. He does not keep silent. At the table of power, he speaks at the wound of the people, so that hope may reach tomorrow. He does not withhold his word in dark days. You who sacrifice conscience to darkness, what else is truth for? To seek justice is not to set everything on fire without falling into the trap of hatred and violence. It means walking patiently on the path of law. It means entrusting anger to justice and justice to conscience. You who sacrifice a righteous cause to hatred, what else is justice for? Politics means protecting the weak, lifting the fallen, not looking down from above, not leaving anyone below. It means seeing every human being, without exception, at the same eye level. Because no cause is greater than a human life. You who sacrifice humanity to a cause and to an ideal, what else is politics for? Faith means, in the name of the Creator, seeing one human being as equal to another, to object to created languages, to peoples, to colors, is to object to creation itself. You who make pilgrimage, who pray, who offer greetings of peace, yet sacrifice the rights of your fellow human beings to the state, to privilege, to lineage. What else is faith for?